the ECOWAS mandate and ultimatum is not a Nigerian ultimatum. It is not a Nigerian mandate. And the office of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, also serving as the chairman of ECOWAS, seeks to emphasize this point due to certain domestic and international media coverage tending toward a personalization of the ECOWAS's sub-regional position to his person and to our nation individually. It is because of this that Mr. President has deemed it necessary to state unequivocally that the mandate and ultimatum provided issued by ECOWAS is that of ECOWAS's position. While His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has assumed the ECOWAS chairmanship, the position of ECOWAS conveys the consensus position of member heads of state, and a coup would not occur in one's backyard without one being particularly aware of it. We have been, let me phrase it this way. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his capacity as the chairman of ECOWAS, has been unequivocal in his position that diplomacy is the best way forward. In representing the consensus position of the ECOWAS heads of state, he has communicated clearly that he, along with his colleagues in the bloc, would prefer a resolution that was obtained through diplomatic means, through peaceful means, rather than any other. And that will be a position that is maintained going forward, pending any other resolution that may or may not result from the ECOWAS Extraordinary Summit holding on Thursday.